Welcome to the project demonstration of all-call detection with GPS and obstacle avoiding. In this project we are using ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacle and also all-call sensor to detect there is any all-call taken person in the vehicle, and this is GPS which is used to send the location to our mobile phone by using this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and these all are interfaced to this Arduino Uno. And whenever there is any all-call detected or any obstacle detected, then automatically this Arduino Uno will give a buzzer as an output, and when there is any obstacle detected, we will have a buzzer, and by detecting the alcohol, by detecting the obstacle, we will give a buzzer, and also this relay will be switched off. Unless there is any obstacle, the relay will be on only, and the relay is used as a driver for these motors which we are using for this robot, and these motors are controlled with this relay, and this is an electromagnetic relay. Whenever there is any there is a pulse from this Arduino Uno, then only the relay will be switched on. And this is a 12 volts 1 amp battery which we are using for this power supply for this robot, and this is LM2596. This is used as a regulator. Why? Because this 12 volts 1 amp battery is a filter DC output which is 12 volts, and but Arduino Uno needs only 5 volts supply which is regulated. So that's why we are using this LM2596 which is used to reduce the voltage. Means it will lower the voltage up to 5 volts, and we can improve the ampere by using this LM2596, and this ESP8266 will directly connect our circuit, or means our project, to the cloud, and by whenever we on the supply, it will directly connect to your mobile phone. Before that, we should give some changes in our mobile phone. Means directly first you want to go to your mobile hotspot settings and change your hotspot name as project 5903 as you seen in the screen, and the network name should not have any capital or any space, and the password should be 129, and the band should be 2.4 gigahertz. These three should be compulsory. And whenever we on the circuit, then automatically it will be connected to this mobile phone which is having this username and password and this gigaband, and after that it will show the IP address. Whenever there is any network is connected to this mobile phone, it will show the IP address, and by clicking on this IP address, we should go to Juice SSH app. There we can see here we created a frequency used, and for that you should go to manage connections and click on this plus symbol, and then for the type we should select telnet, and the port should be 8080, and then you should copy that which is the IP address should be pasted here, or just click the IP address here and click on this right mark. And I already created one IP address which is 192.168.1.189.221. This is the IP address of this Wi-Fi module. You can see here this Wi-Fi module IP address here, that directly it will be connected to our mobile phone, and we can monitor the location of this robot for every single minute. And this GPS will work under the sky view only, and whenever we want to see the location, directly we should keep this robot under the sky view, then automatically the location will be given to us. Let us see the demonstration. Now before switching on the circuit, on your mobile hotspot. Now I just on the mobile hotspot. Full hotspot is on now. Now mobile hotspot, there is no device is connected. Whenever we on the supply, the device will be connected to my mobile phone now. You can see here, this is ESP180. This is a Wi-Fi module I connected to a mobile phone. Now I'm clicking on this. We can see here the IP address will be displayed, and I copied that IP address or written somewhere, and directly I will click here. This is the same IP address I created already. Now I can see the location of my robot, and by clicking on that location we can go to the location. And here there is GPS is not working. Why? Because the GPS will work under the sky view, that's why it is not showing the location. Okay, like this we can monitor the location, and to see there is any obstacle detected or the location, you can see here the LCD will display the location and also distance of the obstacle, and there is an obstacle detected, then automatically the relay will be switched off and the buzzer will be on. Now I am given one obstacle, then automatically the buzzer is on and the relay will be offed. And when there is any alcohol detected, then also we can detect see there will be the buzzer will be on and the relay will be off. Like that the circuit will be run. Now I want to charge this battery because this is rechargeable battery. For charging this battery I am using this circuit, which is charging circuit, and here I having three process. One is transformer. The transformer directly I will connect to 230 volts to the transformer, and this is step down transformer. Whenever I given the supply to this transformer, it will convert this 230 volts to 12 volt supply, and this 12 volt supply is given to the charging circuit. And this charging circuit will convert this AC power to DC. These 4 diodes are the bridge rectifier, which will convert this AC to DC, and this DC is pulsating DC. This DC pulsating DC is given to this capacitor, this capacitor will convert the DC to filtered DC, and this filtered DC is given to the battery to recharge it. And this is rechargeable battery, which is 4 volts 1 amp battery, which are connected 3 in series, will be 12 volts 1 amp battery. And this from this directly through a switch we given power supply to this LM2596, and also through the relay we are given to these motors. Like this the power supply is dispatched parallelly to the motors and also LM2596 and other circuits. From the LM2596 other circuit will get the power. Thank you. And last but not least, to charge the battery we should keep this charging up to 6 to 8 hours, then only it will be charged. After 6 to 8 hours you can remove that, and this 2 diodes will block the current. If the battery charged before 6 to 8 hours, then automatically these 2 will block the current from the battery. Why? Because it will, when the battery current come reverse, it will damage the circuit. So that's why these 2 diodes will block the current and protect the transformer and circuit from this battery supply. Thank you.